Today, we are going on a magical unicorn rainbow yoga adventure. We will travel across sparkling rainbows, visit magical unicorns, and stretch through a colorful fantasy land. Take a big breath in and slowly breathe out. Are you ready for our magical adventure? Let's begin. One, Rainbow Mountain Pose. Stand tall and strong, like a beautiful rainbow reaching across the sky. Two, Unicorn Tree Pose. Balance carefully, like a magical unicorn standing proudly in a rainbow meadow. Three, Rainbow Star Pose. Stretch your arms and legs wide like a shining star in the magical sky. Four, Magic Warrior. Two, pose, be brave and strong, like a unicorn protector guarding the Rainbow Kingdom. Five, Unicorn Triangle Pose. Stretch to the side like a colorful rainbow shining after a gentle rain. Six, Rainbow Side Stretch Pose. Reach up high and bend gently like a rainbow floating through fluffy clouds. Seven, Unicorn Cat Pose. Round your back gently, like a sleepy unicorn kitten getting ready for a nap. Eight, Rainbow Cow Pose. Lift your chest and smile like a happy unicorn enjoying the sunshine. Nine, Happy Unicorn Baby Pose. Hold your feet and giggle like a playful baby unicorn rolling in the grass. Rainbow Bridge. Pose, lift up high and become a magical bridge connecting two rainbows. Eleven, Unicorn Butterfly Pose. Flutter your knees softly, like rainbow butterflies dancing in the breeze. Rainbow Boat Pose. Balance carefully like a magical boat sailing across a sparkling rainbow river. 17. Sleeping. Unicorn child pose. Curl up and rest like a sleepy unicorn taking a peaceful break. 14. Magic crescent moon. Pose reach toward the sky like a glowing moon watching over the unicorn kingdom. 15. Rainbow rest pose. Lie down quietly and relax under the magical rainbow sky. Cool down. Take a slow, deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Feel calm, happy, and magical. Amazing job, little yogis! You balanced with unicorns, stretched across rainbows, and explored a magical fantasy world. Give yourself a big magical smile. Thank you for joining our unicorn rainbow yoga adventure. See you next time for another yoga adventure. Bye-bye, little unicorn yogis.